How to reactivate ChatGPT account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Official Help Text. Now let's get started. Open any of the browser. Here we go. Now at the very top you can see this search box. Over there type in chat.openai.com and search for it. With that you will be directed to the login page of ChatGPT. In the case you have deactivated your ChatGPT account and now you want to reactivate it, it's really simple. All you have to do is now click on this option of login. Now over here you will need to type in your email address that was linked with your ChatGPT account that you have deactivated before. After you type in your email address, click on this option of continue. Now over here you will need to type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the password, you can click on the option forget password to recover it. After you fill this, click on this option of continue. With that you will be logged into your ChatGPT account and your ChatGPT account has been reactivated. So this is how you can easily reactivate your ChatGPT account. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.